11. You are very close to your breakthrough. You have no idea of the kind of the blessings that are headed your way. Look past your current reality and exercise your faith. Type 11 if you believe. Everything is going to be okay. Breathe and remember that you have been in this place before. You have been this uncomfortable, anxious, and scared, and you survived. Close your eyes and feel the universe within you making a way for you right now. Type yes if you needed this. 10. If you are seeing this divine sign from the higher realm, this is your direct confirmation that you will make it. Believe it. No matter what it looks like right now, God is going to send blessings, solutions, healing, love and positive change your way. Amen. Type 10 if you believe in this and also subscribe.